Hello, everyone. It's exciting to be here with you again today. I have with me Yoon. Hello, Yoon.
Hello.
So we're really excited because we're giving away one of these toques for our Instagram giveaway. So Yoon, tell us what some of the entries were like for the giveaway.
So for the giveaway, it's based on the theme this semester, and this theme is Make Earth Great Again. And we had some really great comments on how to save Earth and make it great again.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, and some people had multiple entries too, right? Okay, so I guess without further ado, let's do the draw and let's see who's going to win.
Ready?
Yes.
All right.
Okay, exciting. Who's it going to be?
Who's it going to be? Oh, the winner is Felix.
Felix F26. Congratulations, Felix. So you get to choose one of these toques. So we'll contact you and you can let us know which one you want. So again, congratulations, Felix. So Yoon, do you have access to what Felix said in this entry?
So Felix, he had a couple of entries. So one of them was to drive electric vehicles and use green transportation. And the other was to reduce plastic waste and by bringing reusable straws and cups. That's a great idea, Felix.
Oh yeah, that is a great idea. Yeah, we dispose of so many different containers, like nowadays, especially with all the takeouts, right? So that's a good tip. All right, well, congratulations, Felix. We'll contact you. Thank you so much, Yoon. This is fun. We'll do another giveaway, so stay tuned and keep an eye out on our different social media posts.
Okay.
Okay, bye, Yoon.
Bye.
Bye.